Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, it's Allison. So today is the roommate time with my roomie Tay Tay.
That's me.
This is the last day she's here, so this is why we're doing this. We're on the side of a road right now doing this intro. This video is gonna be everywhere. We're literally walking doing this. It's not like a professional video, but yeah. So give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next clip.
Bye.
So the first question is, did you know each other before you were roommates?
And the answer is no. We were randomly assigned.
Yep.
But it worked out so well.
What were your first impressions of each other?
So, over text, I thought she was gonna be different. I thought she was gonna be like a rich girl and like, I don't know, with like a big family, which is true. And just like,
Well, not rich, but
no. But, well, okay. And then in person, she was so like cute and tiny, even though I'm like a half inch taller than her. But yeah, it was way different. She was very energetic.
on text, I would say
Boring.
nice, quiet girl. And then in person, like when we first met each other, I like ran and hugged her. And she was like, oh my God, you're so tiny. I'm like, but in person, I was like, yo, we are just alike, to be honest. Is how long did it take for us to become friends? I feel like about 2-3 days. But like the first day we were good, like.
Yeah, it was like introducing each other, but
Yeah.
we were like, we hit it off.
Yeah, like
right off the bat.
I'll show you pictures of the first day compared to the third day, and you'll see like how we act, like.
Our progression.
Yeah. What is the point of argument mostly?
We don't really argue.
Yeah.
What have we argued about?
Nothing really, but I feel like we get mad at each other for like we don't know, but then like we get mad at each other, you know.
It's very passive aggressive in this household.
In this household, there's Katharina behind us.
It's Kevin.
Number 5 is, what is the most annoying thing your roommate does?
Let's filter out the list. No, I'm just kidding.
Filter out everything.
Just kidding.
What do you think of your roommate's YouTube?
I think it's very cute and it's like organized and fashionable, and I like seeing thumbnails come up on my YouTube screen.
Number 7 is, who spends more time in front of the mirror?
Depends on the day.
I think both of us at the like.
Because like when you do your makeup, it's obviously longer.
Yeah.
But because like honestly, I don't know. I guess it really does depend. But I spend a lot of time looking at myself in the mirror.
I do too.
Before becoming roommates, what was the thing you didn't notice about each other? Or what is the strangest thing you came to know about each other after becoming roommates?
That was a long question.
Yeah.
I'm so confused. What? About the strangest thing before and then after?
Yeah.
That we're both crazy and stupid.
Yeah. And that, I guess that we get energetic at like the same times and we just run around the hallways.
Oh yeah, that's what we did the other day.
Yeah.
And bother people.
And that I didn't notice was that we were both into like musicals and like Disney,
High School Musical.
and we always sing along with each other.
Yeah, we have to finish each other's lyrics.
Yeah.
And if we don't, we don't participate in the sing-along for
Yeah.
today. Number 9 is, do we ever get tired of seeing each other in the same room?
Yes.
You're not even in our triple?
I live in 408. No.
Yeah,
Do you?
no, because like, I mean, like even if you stay like every week, I think,
yeah, I don't see you.
yeah, I feel like it would still be the same. We take a break when we watch Netflix and stuff because we don't talk to each other and stuff. Unless we're watching the thing together.
When we're antisocial.
Yeah. We didn't watch This Is Us.
I know. So sad. I was thinking we could just watch 13 Reasons Why season 2 together, but then I was like, we're not even going to be in school anymore.
Number 10 is how do we avoid tension and fights between each other living together or something? Whatever. I don't even know.
You don't really have to avoid them because like stuff just doesn't come up like that.
Good answer. The next question is, do we have any rules living together?
Yep. Hundreds of them.
She's literally our roommate over here, like talking for us. Have your roommate's friends became your friends? I don't know. I feel
really.
like I don't know.
Well, not friends, but Allison's sister has become my friend.
I mean, we have similar friends, so other than like class friends.
Really, I don't really have any other friends.
Do you go to the gym or play sports together?
Subject to change.
No, we
Seriously.
tried to go to the gym. Actually, no, we were on a good schedule.
We did for 2 months,
Yeah,
right?
it was for a little while. But we do walk to town every now and then.
Do you take each other's things without asking?
No.
No. We always ask for each other's food.
After.
After you eat it.
After I eat it. Can I have that? Just ate it already.
No.
What do we do on our spare time?
I watch Netflix.
Me too. And also, like, for us both, we'll probably be like watching a movie together, walking together, eating together.
We just
Any of
do
those
everything
things.
together.
What is the best memory we have together? I would say every single day.
Yeah, there's too many to choose from.
Yeah, she had to think about it and we couldn't really pinpoint something. Who is the bigger foodie? I think. Depends on the day. I think it's both of us.
Yeah.
Maybe I think you get hungry more. Because you'd be like, I'm hungry.
Yeah, I have so many different cravings.
She was like,
All the time.
what was it, the pizza?
I don't know. Oh yeah, oily pizza. And then
Yeah.
that one day I wanted like a muffin. I wanted like an omelet. I wanted a lot of things. The next question is, what is the dumbest thing that you have done together?
I said everything.
Yeah, it's like the same thing with the memories. It's like intertwined.
I think
All of the stuff.
I think the dumbest thing like she did was when we had bunk beds and like she was just crazy at that moment in time, and I had like a little corner, so she would be like, oh my god, it's so cozy over here, or like when she goes down the sting, her toes were just weird. Or just
when I jumped off.
oh, she jumped off the bunk bed, or like
And also
she
like,
slides on the floor and she slips.
when I jumped into the big ass puddle over there.
And
Whenever it
and your
rained.
thing fell. What about me?
I don't know. It's just like you're crazy.
Thanks. Crazy. Blazy. So who is a noisy roommate? Me. I talk
Yep.
too much.
She talks more than I talk.
Yeah, I'm just crazy.
And sometimes she just talks and I'm just like,
So who is easily frightened? Me.
Allison.
Not that it's me, but like we picked me because like other day I was laying in bed and I was looking at videos of us, and then all of a sudden she's next to my bed, like mad close to me, and I just like scream and it like hurt my vocal cords. That's how loud it was.
It startled me though because I wasn't expecting her to scream. Because like I thought that I was like making noise when I was walking over, but apparently not.
I was so into the video.
Yeah.
Who is the messy roommate?
I'm messy.
Yeah. How many times did I organize every day like last semester?
A lot. I just don't have the energy to like organize stuff and like clean stuff every day.
She never used her desk a day in her life. Maybe like once or twice.
I just don't find it comfortable. I don't like the chair.
Yeah, I don't like the chair either, but I gotta deal with it. Who cleans a room? Both
Allison.
of us. Both of us.
Yeah, I clean when I need to.
Is she a sleepy person?
Yeah.
We're both always sleepy, but then we never go to sleep.
Yeah, it's crazy.
She goes to sleep like at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning.
It's because, like, I distract myself on my phone. Well, I get tired, and then I'm, like, still doing stuff, so I, like, work through my tiredness, and then I'm just not tired anymore, so I, like, sit on my phone for a million hours, and then I can't get to sleep.
What is your roommate's zodiac sign? Hers is a Taurus.
And hers is a Cancer.
I say Taurus. Taurus. I never knew how to say it right, to be honest.
Well, now you
Taurus.
do.
Taurus?
No, I guess you don't.
So the last question is, if your roommate had to travel somewhere, where would they go? You want to answer for me? Or would I go?
Australia.
She would go to Cambodia.
Yeah.
Yay! I got it. I thought I was gonna get it wrong. I was gonna say like Europe, but then I was like, then I thought of Cambodia.
Yeah.
On the head. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, comment down below any videos you want me to do. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. Comment down below to say come and visit.